It's a 1984 200 ES. Every plastic is cracked. Every tire is pretty slack on her. And the timing chain is very slack. It's slapping very bad. It does run and drive. It smokes very bad, but the timing chain is ready to break. So, gonna call and order some new parts for it here. And I'll be doing a video of me hauling the motor out, tearing it all down, cleaning it up. We'll be replacing the timing chain. Have an old timing chain right here from one of the last ones I did. It was stretched as well. So in the next couple of days I should have some parts and start tearing it apart and go from there. Okay, so far, got the plastics off, got the exhaust off, carburetor, just took the starter off, all the motor mounts are out, she's just sitting in there. I just got to try to figure out how to get that rear end off there, and go from there. Not really sure yet if I have to unbolt it, or if it just kind of pulls apart here, but I'm going to do some research real quick and get that off there, and then I should have that motor out of there. So I called one of my buddies and he said the rear end, there's a little shaft and it just pulls right out. I've never dealt with a shaft drive through wheeler before, so I'm gonna clean up a bit of this mess and see if I can't lift that out of there and go from there. Then I gotta try to get my timing chain ordered in and start tearing this whole motor apart and cleaning it up and put new piston rings and everything like that in it and see if she runs a bit better. Well, I forgot about a motor mount bolt on, and that's why she wouldn't come out. Then I realized I had to take my foot peg off so I could get the motor out by it. There she is in all her glory, the whole motor, the big powerhouse for this 200 Big Red, 200 ES. The frame is very, very disgusting. But there's no rust on it. So all I really got to do, give her a good pressure wash, clean it all up. Lots of old oil everywhere. And have her all shined up and ready for the heart transplant when I get the new motor built. Stay tuned for part 2. I'll be cleaning up the old motor, tearing it all apart, and hopefully putting her all back together with brand new parts.